Hey there, project managers. Listen up because I've got a career changing opportunity that'll make your wallet do a happy dance. Imagine this $120,000 plus for an experienced project manager in mechanical HVAC. Here's the deal you need to be a Canadian citizen with 10 to 15 years of construction experience. Oh, and you better know those Canadian codes like a pro. Did I mention you'll need a mechanical engineering degree? We're talking big time commercial and industrial projects here. If you're thinking, that's me, then don't wait. Grab your phone and call Stephen Cardwell at 905-850-01 right now. This could be your ticket to the big leagues. Don't let someone else snatch your dream job. Make that call and level up your career today.